Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be showing you how to prepare moi moi, and as you are seeing here, this moi moi is rich and well garnished. And for you to prepare this moi moi, you need all the necessary ingredients, which I am going to be showing you. This moi moi here can be served in an event. During occasions, you can put this at the top of your rice for your invitees to enjoy their meals. So you are going to be seeing all the ingredients which are used in preparing this moi moi. Yeah, let's go then. The goodies is still on the celebration. You know, I had to come for I come this time. I came for celebration of the festive period, and yeah, still in part of the celebration, we are going to be preparing moi moi today. And this is beans, brown beans. Had washed the brown beans. This is the shaft here, and I'm still going to be removing this one. The process I had to pass through in washing all this is a process whereby I had earlier videoed it, and you'll be seeing that. So now we want to mix this moi moi. We are going to be putting all the necessary ingredients inside, and we'll now go and grind it. When you want to do your moi moi, we have moi moi beans, the one they use in doing moi moi, and we also have white beans and red beans. You can use any of them to do your moi moi. In today's video, we are going to be using red beans to prepare our moi moi, and you will see how it will come out so lovely and nice. So you must not wait until you have the moi moi beans. Any beans, you can use it in preparing your moi moi. Also, they also have delicacy on the fire. I'm going to be showing you people that. Also, you know, this celebration was all about fun, merriment. Yes, so here is the beans. Yes, so we have here bell pepper. We have bell pepper. This is called bell pepper. And we have this one. It's called shombo.
I don't know the English name.
I don't know the English name. Long pepper. We also have ginger here and garlic. So we are going to be adding them in this moi moi. We are going to be preparing, and yeah. We also have orishi we'll be putting. This moi moi is going to be one in town, specially made, homemade. This bell pepper, you have to remove the seed when preparing it. You don't put it with this seed. This seed used to be bitter. And the reason we are adding this bell pepper and this shombo, long pepper. What is shombo?
I don't know the name. It's called, we actually call it shombo. I honestly don't know the English name. Maybe I'll look up for it.
Yeah. So the reason we are adding this is so that the color of the moi moi will turn reddish, or will I say pinkish, anyone, just to make the color enticing, so that when you see it from afar, you will be interested in the moi moi. Not as if you cannot eat without putting this. You can still prepare your moi moi, a white one, and still eat it. So this is a large quantity of moi moi we are preparing here. After preparing all this, we now carry it for grinding. You can also learn how to prepare this, because this is one meal that people really love, but how to make it is always the problem. How to wash the beans is always the problem.
Hey guys, what's up? Alright, so Happy New Year! How are you guys doing? Alright, so today we're actually preparing moi moi with red beans. We've already pre-washed the beans, just like Chef Fish told you guys. Yeah, so we are just actually preparing for other stuff that we're going to be using to make those beans taste delicious. Make the beans or make the moi moi. Make the moi moi tastes good. Yeah, that's what we're actually doing, and we're actually making plenty of this moi moi, so we can store it. Like, we can keep it inside our fridge, and then whenever we feel like eating, we eat. So Ukeme, this channel name is called Ukeme Family Show, right?
UK.
Okay, UK's Family Show. UK's Family Show, I mean?
UK's Family Show. UK Family Show.
Okay. So you're welcome back to her channel. She literally does vlog here. Pranks.
Heavy prank.
She pranked me one prank of my life. I had mixed feelings. In fact, I was heartbroken, I was disappointed, I was crying, I was everything. That was the biggest prank. See that one now?
Okay.
That was the most scariest prank. You guys have probably seen it, or are going to be seeing it, because
you're going to be
she has
seeing
actually
it.
not edited it yet. So you're going to be seeing it. It was a bomb of a prank.
For 2020.
2021.
Okay, yeah, for 2021.
But the prank was done 2020.
That's to mark
Days-
the end of.
Yeah, days before 2020.
Yeah. So guys, thank you for stopping by. We're gonna be showing you people how we're making this. This is ice fish. This is smoked Titus fish, and it's normally good to use it when you're doing moi moi. It gives the moi moi a nice flavor. We're also going to be adding dry fish, small, yeah, because that one also is going to give the moi moi a unique taste. Today's moi moi is going to be mwah. You guys will be seeing it, and you will also eat with us.
Yep. We're gonna send yours. According to Mazi, according to my husband, he says we're gonna send yours through Bluetooth.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah, we've just finished parboiling the chicken and the fish together, so we are going to be using the stock to prepare the moi moi. Yes. Fortuna Roland, say hi. Hi. Wave your subscribers now. Roland, wave. They want to pass because you have seen Fortune carry onions. Yes, don't finish it too. Yeah, so we have groundnut oil on the fire. Now we'll be putting onions. Yeah, so where this is what we'll be doing now. You have to pour this. So this, why I'm doing it this way is just so that the groundnut oil will first of all fry the beans and make it smoothen before we add our stock water into it. So when you do it this way, you find out that your moi moi will be so smooth. So this is the stock water now. This is the first water. Yeah, so we are going to be cutting the meat now into smaller pieces. Then we'll now use it to garnish the moi moi. How do you feel?
Yes, I will.
Okay, hot. Go on, see.
Thank you.
You're welcome, madam. Yeah, so now we're going to be putting the hot water. The difference here is that it's okay first. The difference here is that we are not using cold water, and that is why when this moi moi is ready, you will see the difference in moi moi. So now we'll be putting all our salt, Maggi to taste, seasoning, even the meat. No. Yeah. Oh my God, this is my moi with a difference. Seasoning cube. And one thing about moi moi, so I'm adding salt to taste. So if you keep moi moi, immediately you finish grinding it, you have to make sure you put all the required ingredients and make sure you start folding it or wrap it with your leaf or your container. We have our container which we're going to be putting the moi moi. That is so that the moi moi will not sour. If not, if it stays long on the floor, it will get sour. So I have here, this is what we're going to be using to put our moi moi. Yes, so my beautiful people, you've just seen how I mixed this and it's into this rubber, and we'll make sure it's not full so that when it's rising, it will not cover or will not be. So I'm going get meat, some no go get. So we get all of them will get meat.
All of them.
With the touch of them. Yeah, so wonderful people. This is how we are going to be scooping this, filling all the plates till we are done. And after this, we just put very little water, very small water on the bottom of the pot and allow that to heat round. Yeah, so I'm through with this. I'll be adding just little quantity of water inside here. And I'll place this on the fire now. Yeah, so that is it, and very soon the moi moi will be heating, and when it's ready I am going to be showing you how it is. Yeah, wonderful people, that's it. Thank you for stopping by our channel. Don't forget to always thumb up, subscribe to this channel, share the videos, because you're going to be learning some other interesting way of cooking. Yeah, you're going to be learning them, and as we upload them we're going to be letting you know, so that as you want to prepare your African dish or continental dish, you can learn. So this other one here, we're still going to be wrapping them into another pot. We're actually preparing a very large pot of food. Yeah, so my beautiful people, if this is your first time in my channel, don't fail to thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, tap the bell for notification of more videos, and also learn how to prepare your moi moi in an easy way, very easy and unique way. Yeah, so yeah, so guys, I am going to be eating my moi moi now.
Mommy, I want to eat. Hi.
Alright, hello.
Hello.
Say good morning.
Good morning.
So what do you want to eat? What is this called? Moi moi. Alright, we're done eating for today's. Tell them bye.
Bye.
See you guys in our next video. Bye.
Listen.